Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am your host. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix that annoying YouTube short glitch. If you have been experiencing issues like YouTube shorts not loading properly or freezing, if you're in the right place. So this is the right place. Things will be fixed and super easy, which will be working in 2025. So make sure to watch the video until the end. Alright, first things first, if you want to know or if you want to do is open the settings on your phone. Now one you in the settings, look for the search bar at the top and type in YouTube. You should see the YouTube app settings pop up. Tap on that and it will take you to the settings page for the app. Now here's the key part. Go to the storage option and you'll see a few options. You'll want to click on clear cache. This won't delete any of your data or videos. It just clear temporary files that might be causing the glitch. After cleaning the cache, go ahead and open up your Play Store or App Store if you're on iPhone. Search YouTube and check if there is an update available. If you see that there's a new version on the app, make sure to hit the update button and install the latest version. Updating the app ensures that you have the latest bug fixes and features, which can help resolve any glitches. Once your app is updated, the next step is to restart your phone. I know it sounds simple, but sometimes a quick restart can make all the difference when it comes to fixing glitches and making sure everything works smoothly. Now, once your phone has started, go ahead and open the YouTube again. Check your short section, and you should notice that the glitch has been fixed. No more loading issues or frozen videos. And that is it. You have successfully fixed the YouTube short glitch in just few simple steps. If this worked for you, don't forget to drop a like and hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any of my future tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.